Hello. Yesterday was the first day of summer, and I was not able to address that because it was the feast of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. So I decided today to draw our attention to the fact that summer is now beginning. It may be the most unusual summer we'll ever experience, at least certainly one of them. But despite the difficulties that we'll probably experience as we go through this summer, we still can give thanks for the gift, God's gift of summer. And so I offer for our consideration and reflection this prayer of thanks for summer. Father, creator of all, thank you for summer. Thank you for the warmth of the sun and the increased daylight. Thank you for the beauty I see all around me and for the opportunity to be outside and enjoy your creation. Thank you for the increased time I have to be with my friends and family, and for the more casual pace of the summer season. Draw me closer to you this summer. Teach me how I can pray no matter where I am or what I'm doing. Warm my soul with the awareness of your presence and light my path with your word and counsel. As I enjoy your creation, create in me a pure heart and a hunger and a thirst for you. Happy first day of summer.